Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I want to do a magnetic eyeliner for you guys. Yes, I said that right. Magnetic liquid eyeliner for you guys today. I'm going to zoom close to my eyes and show you guys whether this is worth your money or not. So let me just kind of give you a recap really quick. Last year, there was this magnetic eyeliner that was in a pomade that came out. So you could use any magnetic lashes with it, and you would just place the lashes on and they would stick. It was about $100. And I was like so intrigued, but I was waiting and waiting because I knew there were going to be companies out there that did something similar for much cheaper. This, I believe, I paid $10 online. There are all these different companies who sell this. This is magnetic lashes. This is the magnetic liquid eyeliner. So, was I going to pay $100 for a magnetic eyeliner? No, I was just going to wait, give it some time, and wait for these other companies to jump on board. So I just received this in the mail. I'm going to try it on right now, zoom you guys close, and tell you whether it irritates my eye or not. I think that's what we all really want to know. So I'm going to be checking in throughout the day and letting you guys know whether this is irritating to my eyes or not. I have tried products in the past like Rodan Plus Fields, eyelash serums, things like that, that are very irritating to my eyes. So I would assume that maybe my eyes are a tad bit more sensitive than others. So considering this has magnets in it, I guess, or fine particles of magnets, will it irritate? I don't know. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video and see if it works. If it works, I will post all these links down below and let you guys pick and choose what you want to try. Anyways, so I got this in the mail. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets on it, which I like that because if it's too long, I can cut it off and not really destroy the lash. This is just like a glittery plain background, but you guys can see the lashes completely stick just like that. So let's go ahead and just zoom in for this. It is actually very liquidy. You guys can see, very, very liquidy. I'm gonna rub a little bit off on my hand right there. Let that dry, show you guys what that looks like. Now, let's go ahead and put it on the eye. I would recommend just not pushing it all the way in, just kind of pushing it on the very top like that and then pulling it out because plenty of eyeliner comes out already. This is very, very easy to work with. If I didn't know it was a magnetic eyeliner, I would tell you this was a really good eyeliner. The brush has enough firmness to it, kind of just glides right on. And it's not sticky at all. So it has dried down on my hand. That's pretty good. Look at that. Try it harder. Rub it really, really hard. Wow. It doesn't want to budge. Okay, so let's just get to it. Magnetic lashes. Wow. Obviously, I have not curled my lashes yet. I'm going to curl them right now, but I just wanted to show you guys. It's easy for me to show you a close-up like this when my lashes are down, so you really can get a good visual of it. Now, I think my eyelash curler kind of took off some of the eyeliner, so I'm going to put a little bit more on right there. I just put an extra coat on, another coat. It went on perfect right on top of it. Let's go ahead and pop these on. I'm gonna put the center on first. Oh, look. So it's actually, if you can you see that? It's actually sticking to my lashes right there because I got some of the eyeliner on the lashes. I'm gonna take off one of the magnets right here at the end. It's more of a manageable size for my eye. Place them in my lash holder. I'll post this link. I'll post the lash holder link down below. So you can see that this lash is not wanting to, look, so you can see all the other magnets are working fine, except this bottom magnet doesn't want, the end here, it doesn't want to stick. The liner, like, it's really strong right here, but then it's not strong right here where it's catching the magnet. It's really strong right there. You guys can see how it gripped, but then it doesn't really grip too much in certain areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab another coat of eyeliner. Right, I'm gonna put another coat right on top. Maybe it has to be a little thicker to actually adhere. Plus, I'm going to shake it up just in case. OMG, guys. So I found a strip of my, I think these are the Kiss eyelashes with the Kiss magnetic eyelashes with 3 magnets. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this one will actually adhere to this versus the lashes that it came with. So this one actually stuck down, as you can see. You kind of have to push it down onto the actual magnets. Let me show you again. I mean, you kind of have to push it down firmly onto the eyeliner. Let me show you, kind of like, you have it here, you push it, you have to get each magnet and actually push it into the eyeliner. But that one's down, and this lash looks so much prettier. Look, so let's see. So they're on there. They feel like they're on there like glue would feel. Let me see if I pull up. Wow. Okay, will they blow away? I don't know. I would not recommend the lashes that come with it. I would recommend going and getting some Kiss lashes. I remember why I don't wear these, because I chopped them up into a bunch of pieces. So this one's gonna have smaller pieces on it. This eye, as you can see, or as you saw, has about 4 different pieces on here. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, because I had cut this one up. And this is the one strip. Now, will they last all day? My eyes do not feel irritated. They were easier to apply if I got a tiny tweezer and put them on like that. Just make sure that you push it down into the eyeliner, and they look pretty. They look a lot better than the lashes they came with. If this works, it's gonna save me so much time and so much money, because if you buy the Ardell's or the Kiss magnetic lashes, it comes with 1 up top and 1 up bottom that are supposed to crimp. Well, if we could just pop each one on top, hey, that would be perfect, you know? And we get 2 different looks, because typically on the Kiss, the bottom lashes are more dainty and natural, and the top are more fluffy and fluttered and more thick. So this is going to save us money if it works. I don't know. I will see you guys in a bit with chickens throughout the day. It's extremely hot weather today. I think it's like 115 degrees in Las Vegas. So I'm going to check in and tell you whether it does good in this type of weather, whether it irritates the eye. I don't know. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're eating at Wahlburgers on the Strip, and it's cooled down. Yeah, she hates being in my videos. You guys see? Yep, Wahlburgers. Okay, guys, so we have been out and about all freaking day long. It is super, super hot. My lashes have been in the wind. You name it. We have put it to the test. So you guys can see, like this one. This is the one that has all the little pieces. This one kind of flew up here, which is like out of place. And this one kind of flew to the side, which is out of place. But the strip, look at that. It didn't budge. It didn't come off. Now, let me tell you the bad part. So I did kind of notice that my eyes were twitching a little bit, more my right than my left. Not anything that somebody would notice, but it almost like you could feel that eye twitch. And this would be the only reason that they would be twitching is the eyeliner. Is that good? No. Did it bother my eyes? No. Did they twitch? Yes. Did they itch, burn, or anything? No. So, I don't know. I'm just going to leave it up in there. I'll let you guys decide. I'll post the link down below of where I got this and a bunch of others that I also saw off of Amazon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and pull these off really quick and see. Look at this. It looks like it's glued down. You see this? Look at that. It's like, that's pretty intense. Look at that. And look at how intact and pristine, clean these lashes look. Do the other eye. Look at that. So maybe the longer that they are on the liner, the stronger they hold. What the heck is that? Oh, look at this, guys. So it's just peeling off. Kind of just dries and peels off. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.